Okay, this video is about changing the charging port of the Stylo 4 right here. This is the Stylo 4. I'm going to change the charging port, the one that goes right here, right there. So I got the part right here, this charging port. You could get it online. Just Google it and you should buy it and you could fix your phone right there. So the charging port is this. Comes in a box. Get it right there. Right there. There you go. Right there. It's not a big piece, but it's a lot of, you know. So we're gonna do that. We're gonna change charging port on the Stylo 4, and we're gonna change the battery. This is the battery. The battery on the Stylo 4. This is the battery. I'm packing the battery now because I got the tools right here that I'm gonna need to change the charging port and to change the battery as well. So I got everything right here. This is the battery right there. Watch. The part number is what is it called? BL-T37, BL-T37. So that's the battery for Stylo 4. This is the Stylo 4. We're gonna change that. So here we go now. We're gonna start doing the we're gonna start doing the taking it. We're gonna start taking it apart now.
No.
That's my daughter. That's my daughter's hand. Okay, so here we go. I'll take this apart. This is the case protector. We don't need that. This is the tricky part right here. This is what we're gonna do right here. This is when the tools come in handy right here. Comes with. I show you all the tools because I see all the other guys have tools, but none of them show you what they need. Well, they have what they have. They got these. They got these. Those tiny screwdrivers, right? They got these poking hole. This is for the. This is to take the to take the SIM card off, SIM card out. So it goes right there on the hole, right there, like that. You push that right there, and the SIM card comes right out. You know, without any damaging on the phone or on the frame of the phone or anything. So now, well, we'll continue. We got these to do some for leverage to open the phone. These we have already said. We got this. We got this. We got this for leverage. We got this for leverage also. This one also leverage, and leverage. We already say that. So, and we got this to put it over here like this, and to pull it when it's ready to come out. So we're gonna start now. Right here, it's plastic, right? Put this away for now. And we got 13 screws. 13. I know that because I did that before with a different Stylo 4. 13 screws. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. You see that? 13. So here we go. And we start taking them apart. We're taking them apart. So now, this is what we're doing now. Okay. Oh, make sure you magnetize. Make sure you magnetize your screwdrivers. All you need to have is all you need to have. We got this one, these two. Make a little janking from the back. Right there. See, now we're janking this up. Very, very gently, to be able to get it out in one piece very gently. This comes out very gently. There you go. Now we got it apart now. Right? I'm not gonna put it far away. I'm just gonna put it right here where we could see it, where we could have it available for us. So it's right there. Right? So now we take this. We take this apart. That one. This one. Two. 1, 2. We've got this one right here, the battery. 3. 3. And this one right here. The speakerphone, I think it is, the speaker. Right there. I don't know which is which, but take this one out. That's 4. Now we got the battery. The battery comes out right from here. This is the battery. It's the same. This is the charging port cover. Charging port cover. Right there. Charging port cover. Right there. This comes out. So yeah, we continue removing this piece right here very slowly and very carefully. Yeah, well, it's not a big deal, right? There. So now we got it. We got this out. And we got our new one. This one is garbage, no good. We got our new one right here. Our new one is the one that's going in, and we are getting ready to put it in now. So we open it. Couldn't find out how to open it. we open it. Got this right here. Got this right here. This is a little little curve right here, something like that. Yeah, so that it could go in later on, right? On the battery, by the battery. This goes right there. Right there, like that. I need to check something very quick. I need to check something very quick. Let me see. So we got these. This one. Okay, so this is going right here now. Got the water seal. It got the water seal on it. Goes right here, right now, like that. Make sure it sits nice. Nice. What's up, baby? Are you okay, Oreo? Okay, we got done so far. So we did we did the changing of the we changed the charging port. The charging port got there now. Okay, we'll see how that goes. And then here we come to the moment of truth. So there. There we go. And it's charging. So now we have a phone. And everything fine. Here we go. Charging, nice. And that's the end of the video. These are the tools. It's easy to do. Just Google it and make your order. There you go. Charging. Stylo 4. Alright, thank you.
Bye. Have a nice day.
Have a nice day. Okay, we done fixing the phone. I charged it up and it charged to 100%. We'll probably see it right there, 100%. That means that now the charge port was fixed and the battery was fixed, so everything is fine. It was not holding no charge. It was not okay. It was broken. So now everything is fine. Don't forget to make comments, give it a like, subscribe, share it, and enjoy it. Have a nice day.
Bye. Have a nice day.
That's my daughter. Bye bye.